Everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and today we are checking out the Wuben X4. Now, this is a very interesting light. Now, this is an everyday carry light, and as you can see, it's actually really small. It can fit in your pocket, and I would say it's pretty much a direct competitor to a lot of the O lights, a lot of some of the other smaller lights that are precision machined, high output. You're not going to believe it. Yeah, it's 1500 lumens, but there's so much going on with this light. We have to talk about a lot. Now, first and foremost, the cool thing that I saw, and I'm going to try and let you all see it here, is that you have a little thumb dial, and I know it's flat black, but you do this, and it just shines like crazy. Yeah, you all can see that. Look at that beam coming off there. So if you're doing security or something else, you have a quick little area right, or a quick little button right here that just does great stuff. And then if you take a look right here, and hopefully I can get a focus, there we go. You pull this down, you hit that button right there. I think you hit the button, or do you go up? There we go, you go up. You open it up, and then that's your battery right there. It's a pretty good battery, but I love that you can change it. And all you have to do is you lock it back in place. You can't take it out. And everything about this thing, it feels really good. It feels tactical, if you would. You have a side light. You have your headlight right here, the front light. And then you have selector dials right here, so you can go all the way up and down. This is in locked mode. This is in your front dial mode, if you would. This right here is in this mode. And then you have your moonlight mode. And your moonlight mode is going to last, 2 weeks or so. It's going to last a long time. But what that looks like, even if you can turn this on, you can see right here, it's just putting out a few lumens, and it does a pretty daggone good job if you just need a little bit of low light. Now, this is where it gets kind of crazy. So I'm going to put it all the way up on moonlight, and I can turn it on, turn it off, I can double click. It's just basically on and off. If I go down one level, this is really bright. And then what I'm going to do is just show you right here. There is a dial, so I'm just going to move it. And then it gets smaller and smaller. So this is how you regulate. Wow, that's so bright. I can actually feel the heat on my hand. So that's 1500. Let's drop it down. So you have a lot of controllability just by that little dial right there. I hope you all can see that. Focus. Yep, there you go. So that's really cool. But now, what if we double tap it? Goes to 1500 lumens, double tap it again. See what happens when you triple tap it. Not much, but what if we hold it? Are we just going to press and hold? Nothing happened. Press and hold again. Nothing happened. All right, great. Now we're going to go down one more. And then, whew, wow, that's so bright, guys. So, same thing with this light on the end. All you have to do is you just turn the dial. It's going down, down, down. And it's very manageable on the front of it here, as you can see. It's actually really nice. You can clip this onto your bag. You can just have it shining in front of you, do whatever you want to do. Now, it doesn't have that really cool clip like O-Light does, but this is really nice. I love the front light. It pretty much does the same thing. But what if I click and hold this here? So it changes. Now, what if I wanted to change the light? So I'm just going to roll my finger right here. You see it's changing light. You see that? Changing light. Changing light. It's purple. Changing light. It's blue. Now, if I hold it again, it's going to keep flashing. Now, wherever I stop, that's where it's going to stop. Now, that's really cool, right? So it has all these different modes that you can use, and I'm sure I'm actually missing a mode, then it's just locked right there. And all I have to say is it's an aluminum body, so aluminum for us on the state side, and it feels good, has some IP rating. It actually looks really, really good. I'm super impressed with everything about it, but I think we need to put it through its paces and what it looks like on camera in terms of can it light up the trees behind me, and just let you all make your own decision. Here we go. This is crazy, huh? A lot better. You can see the tops of the trees. That's pretty good, actually. I'm about 100 feet away from the trees. All right, let's go all the way up. All right, that's as bright as it goes. You can see the beam. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. You can see all the way down. Everything looks pretty awesome. Look at that beam of light. That's incredible. That's awesome. You can see, it's hard. I can see it here, but you can see the across the pond trees over there. Then the trees right here. So that's probably 1,000 feet away. And right here I can see everything just perfectly. This is awesome. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to post a link down below. And what I would like for you all to do is go check this out right here yourself. You can see everything about it. It's a great everyday carry light. And I love the front light on it. I love the durability of it. The build is just awesome. I think everything about it is very attractive, and it really just screams quality. And I think that's what we need more of, is quality like this. But I'm not going to make a decision for you. Go out there and make your own decision. Do your own research. Check out the price. But you got to go to the link and look for other reviews too, because for something like this, it's not going to be that cheap. It's not going to be that expensive either. Listen, my name is Brent. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video and all that great stuff. And until next time, man, let me tell you what. I'm going to go enjoy this light. I am so happy with it. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. See ya.